Hello guys, quick video for you. I just did do the video, but I put it on the wrong bloody channel, didn't I? I can't even download it, so if I had to redo this one now. So I don't know if you guys know, but I've been having most of my gear up on this wall fixture with the bins. Because I was running out of space, I ordered another one through Amazon, being this one here, which costs $29.99. Now I have actually got it up and running. That's one part of the new side, and this is the second side. I do have another one of the black back wall things, and some more of the bins which I need to use later. Just got to make some more space and sort it out in here. I have ordered some wooden shelving. They should have came yesterday, but they didn't come yesterday. They turned up today. So I've got to do some shelving later. There's those wires there used to be where that is. So I pulled all that down, taken all the wires down, and then put all my USB cables there. You also might know that I've had DVRs, wire DVRs knocking around. I've pulled all those down, and the wires were all kind of like shredded and broken. So instead of kind of like throwing them away, I've kept those so I can use the wire as for my electronics. Now that unit, the wall unit, cost $29.99. I thought it's similar to the one I got actually, but it's not completely different. But you do get a lot more bins. Just that the plate, the back wall plate, is smaller than the one what I've been using. What I've done, I just drilled them in. I did get the wall plugs today because that new unit did not come with any screws, none at all, not one. So I had to go to home base and buy some screws today, and the actual plugs, which I didn't use. I just drilled the holes in the wall and screwed in screws about that long, and it's holding up at the moment. Just hoping it don't fall down. I don't think it should do, but I'm just hoping it won't. So I had to buy screws and the little plastic plugs, which I've not used. I also bought a file set. I know I've got some files somewhere, but where they are, I don't know. So I bought a file set. That was about £6, I think. £6-7. And because I do get arthritis in my hand, and I tell you, my hands were playing up really badly, trying to get those shelving up today and putting those bins on. Both my hands were cramping up quite a lot. Now I would have used this, but that would have caused me even more cramping up. So I actually bought a battery operated screwdriver. This takes 3 AA's, I think it is. The only thing is, don't have a little light on it, which is a shame. I think there's two speeds on it, but I only used speed 1. I think the battery's already bloody gone low on them. The battery's already gone down, right? No LEDs on this one. Got forward and backward. This was $16.99. It comes with some screw bits, which are those up there. I could have waited and got it off Amazon, but doing that, I would have had to wait an extra day before I could put the shelving up. I didn't want to do that. So what I've done then is I just saw something that I want to get hold of. Right, so sorry about that. So I've got that, the file, the screws, and the plugs. That all come to £30. Now, if that thing, that wall with the bins came with screws, which it did not come with any screws, I may have not had to have gone out and bought two other items, being, the screwdriver and the file. But because it had no screws in it, I had to go and buy the screws, the wall plugs, which I did not end up using. That was only £3 for 99, I think it was 96 plugs. So I kept them, put them in one of the bins up there for now to use that another day if I need them. The screws come in a box of 100. That was £6. So I've still got probably about 50 screws, maybe more, in a box up there. I did order a second shelving unit, which I had already bought once before, and they were out in the hallway, these units here, which is $15.99. They should have turned up yesterday, but they didn't turn up. So I didn't think they was going to come today, actually, because there's an issue, saying, "Oh, sorry for the delay," on Amazon, blah blah blah, all that kind of crap. But luckily enough, they did turn up today. I've not put them up because they didn't get it till 8 o'clock. So I'm not going to be drilling at 8 o'clock in the night and having neighbours complaining. Now, those cables there, the USB cables there, used to be over here where that new bin storage unit is. So I'll put them there for now. Those shelving, I'll probably put one above it, or I might put two across and one down. I don't know yet. Got to change the organise them a little bit, on the wall. Remove the picture frames and that. So the only other thing I did buy off Amazon was a magnifying glass, because I could not get my other one. I can not get this one connected to the USB to connect to the PC. There wasn't no software for it. Couldn't find any software that was compatible for it anyway. But I had to look on Amazon. I did buy a small microscope. I installed the software that came with it. Well, the software comes on CD, but I don't have CD on my system. So what I'd done was that I looked around in the manual, and there's a link there. You'd actually download the manual, not the manual, the software to operate this. So I downloaded the software, got that running on USB for the PC. That was coming up quite clear. The only thing is that it's too low down. It ain't got an extended arm where you can actually have it a bit higher. It's just that far off the bloody table. So what I've done, I connected this one because it's got USB, and I tried it under the same software as this one, and this actually works through the PC through the software now. So that's good, because then I can use that. You can't see anything on the screen when it's connected to the software. You see it on your big screen, your PC monitor or your TV or whatever. So I'm glad I've got that one working now. The only I can't even talk today. The only other thing I bought was a new glue gun, which is supposed to be leak free. So I get to test that out. I can't remember how much that was. I think that was about 15-20 quid. Actually, no, it's £11 4p. So just over £11 that was. Comes with glue sticks, 60-piece glue sticks, but I do have a load of glue sticks. I bought a load of glue sticks a couple of weeks ago. But yeah, I just need to get some shelving up now, so I can put, you know, some of the bits and pieces on, like, you know, the small bits like this and the files and the glue gun, and put this up there out of the way, microscope, and a few other little bits and pieces out of the way, because I'm always putting them down to one side and I keep losing the damn things. But yeah, hopefully I might not have to buy any more tools. I'm just going to be buying some more electronics later. The only thing I might buy is a DC power system, which is about 40 odd quid. It's on my list. So I'm thinking about buying one of these, because in that way I can save on, keep buying all the batteries all the time, you know, just to test out the equipment to make sure it works. But I will probably end up having to buy batteries again later anyway. So I'm running out desperately. So yeah, that's it for now. Just thought I'd give you an update on the new wall shelving unit kind of thing. I do have one of the black backs, as I say, left in the box, and I think I've got about a dozen of the little bin tubs which needs to be used as well, but I don't know where I can put it at the moment, so I've got no room for it. So I'll just keep that as spare, probably put it in the living room when I get time to do it, I suppose. Because what I want to do is that when I get my living room sorted out, I want to use that as a living room and hopefully maybe like a project workshop as well. And that means all that stuff on the wall here will have to come off, and I'll have to putty the holes in the wall, and just, like, you know, put picture frames or something up in replacement of these. But I might keep it as it is for now, you know, as say, you know, I'm going to sit and think about it and consider what I'm going to do later. But I need to sort out my living room because it's got so much stuff in it, it's unbelievable. Well, right, that's it for now. Cheers for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Car boot fair video's already been uploaded, so you want to check that one out. It's the previous video I uploaded today. That was at St Helier's. I did see like a little power bench thing, but he had no cables, no power adapter. He said it works. He wanted 10 quid for it, but I didn't bother. If I'm going to buy it, I'll buy a new one. At least I know it's new and it's got warranty and guarantee with it. Buying stuff from car boots, you know, electrical stuff, you just don't know if it's going to work or not, so I didn't bother. But yeah, it was St Helier's at Sutton, car boot fair today. It's supposed to be open Wednesdays and Saturdays, but they haven't got clearance for Saturdays at the moment from the council, so it's just open Wednesdays. And the other car boot is at Rains Park, which is on Sundays. So there's still 2 car boot fairs I can go to each week if I wish to. Anyway, any other new electrical stuff or gadgets or kits or whatever I might get, I'll let you know, update you, and I'll catch you later. Bye for now.